I cleaned this area up and I'm going to try to place all these items in here and make a pretty Valentine's tea station. These flowers are all from Dollar Tree and they're baby breaths, and I bought 7 of them, but I'm using 5 on this. And that's how they're looking. Nothing's glued, everything's carefully laid in here. And as you can see, I have placed every one to help stabilize them, for they're not going to move around. Now let's see what else I do. Well, I have placed my teapot on top of this stand for the teapot. Already you can see it's starting to look a lot nicer, isn't it? I have now placed my little bear right in front, and that way it will cover up the stems of the flowers, and I only spent $1 for that. So far we're into this tea station for $6. $5 for the flowers and $1 for the bear. Now let's see what else I do. Well, I did have a couple more things I got at Dollar Tree. Another beautiful sign that says love on it. I just love it. I'm not going to DIY it. I'm just using it as I purchased it. This beautiful glass dish for another $1, and this beautiful tray that I got at Home Goods with the hearts for $7. So this brings this table, well, it's not a table, it's a tea station, to $15 investment so far. Now let's see what else I have here. This was left over from last year, and I saved the empty box because I thought it was so beautiful. And look at how this, isn't this beautiful? The movement, oh, love it. Okay, let's see how it's going to look once I start putting it all together. And of course, I had to get some treats to put on my beautiful tea station. And let's just go in and take a peek. What do you think Grandma has in that box? Well, let's go find out. I picked up some beautiful cupcakes for my displays. I got 2 with red velvet cupcakes with red hearts on them, a pair of them, for my red and white tea station. And I got 2 of these strawberry cupcakes with red hearts for my pink tea station. You know, Grandma, she wanted to have everything color coordinated. Well, let's see what Grandma can do now. Well, I think it's coming together now. I laced a couple of these paper doilies that you get at Dollar Tree, the large ones. I folded one under to put under the cupcakes to give a little more interest on the tray and white, but still didn't cover up all my beautiful heart design on this tray. I think it's looking pretty good. And I also got some heart-shaped red lollipops from Dollar Tree also. Looks like a little bouquet of hearts, doesn't it? Well, we're still working on it, but it's starting to come together. I'm really starting to like it. Now, these little spoons to stir your hot chocolate or tea with to give a peppermint flavor are not new. I got them at Christmas, but they're red and white, and I think they go beautifully with this display. What do you think? Leave me a comment in the comments section. Well, let's see what else Grandma's going to do to jazz it up. Good morning. We finally got it all finished. Hope you enjoy my red and tea station that we have today. This came to a total of $16 to put together. Keep in mind, once we've used it once, there's no longer any cost. I had 5 baby breaths, as you can see, scattered about the counter as I showed you as I was putting it together. The cup and saucer and silverware I already had, so there's no cost for that. I got this bouquet of rose lollipops from Dollar Tree. This is leftover from last year. That box is empty. We ate all the candy. Oh, it was so good. All the baby breath flowers you see scattered about are new. The teapot I've used in past posts, so there's no cost for that. The little bear was $1 at Dollar Tree. The little rose was just a little rose I had left here and used it. We don't count the cost of the cupcakes because we're going to eat them. And paper doilies, I used 3 out of the package, so I'm going to maybe give myself 50 cents for that and 50 cents for the hearts. And so that's how it came to $1, because I didn't use all of it. And there is a bunch of pink that I'm going to use on another pink post. I did get the beautiful heart, and I'm not going to do anything with it either. I know all of you love to do DIYs, but I love this just the way it is, and I'm not touching it. And I also wanted to share with you, I have my marshmallows and my candy cane spoons. There is no cost for that either, because I bought them for Christmas and they've all been on multiple posts for my tea stations. So this was a $16 tea station. Oh gosh, Grandma's always messing up. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty good for what I spent. And the best part of all, there won't be any more charges for this, because I've already wrote the cost off. And the most expensive thing on this was that beautiful white tray with the hearts that I bought at Home Goods for $7. But it is beautiful, and I can use it multiple ways. So please keep coming back for the next 30 days and see all the beautiful ways I use that heart tray in so many displays. And I just love that little bear. Isn't he the cutest thing you've ever seen? And he covers the stems so well. You would never know those stems were there now. I was so happy and pleased how this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is there something maybe I could have done differently? And forgot to mention, the little red hearts that are all scattered about are just scattered from Dollar Tree, and I carefully laid them, one going one way and one going another way, on the white paper doilies. And I thought they turned out beautiful too. They are just laying there carefully, so I can use them again next year and the year after. Because you know, one thing about Grandma, she's cheap. Even though it was $1 for a lot of hearts, they had red ones, they had pink ones, they had ones that their little hearts were broken. I had them all, but I only used the red ones for this display. So I hope you guys enjoyed what I did. And remember, when you get a really pretty box for Valentine's this year, maybe you might want to consider saving it like I did. Oh, it looks so pretty on this display, and I love all the white and gold. It was beautiful. What do you think? Well, let me know. We always love hearing from you. Hugs and kisses until the next video, my awesome friend. Please take care. See you soon. One last look at Grandma's tea station in red and white. Until the next time, bye-bye for now.